Hello everyone, so welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm showing you again and I will show you how to use your voice and generate it to text immediately, and you can even copy it and paste it and post it inside every website or every uh, place that you want to post that. I finally found this solution because I have used my finger a lot tie with that PC because I create a website as you see here. I tie every day from day to day, and sometimes it is a full day of typing, so it make my fingers starting to hurt. And finally I'm trying to search in Google search, and today I found that solution that can use your voice instead of your writing. So as you see here, here's the text that I have spent a lot of time to type with that. So the solution is you need to go to Google search and search this keyword here, Chrome Web Store. When you are searching, it will see the result like this, and make sure that you are choosing the chrome.com, .google.com and the web store added in here. So go ahead and click on this URL and you will arrive to this web page here. And here is the way that you're gonna add this plugin to your Google Chrome. So you need to add it to Google Chrome. It is a plugin software that he can control your microphones through this platform. So go ahead and click on Add to Chrome. Okay, and you will click this place also, and wait for the few seconds. After you have been already added to the Chrome, it will take you to this site, and don't worry about it. Everything is you need to start up or restart the Google Chrome just like that, and then you need to click on the icon here. That is to see it is appearing or not. After you have been click on that, you need to click it on the pin post here, because to make it appearing on the screen like this, on the top like this, that can help you easy to find it or to use it. So when you start, you need to do nothing besides click on that. So go ahead and click on that speech to text here, and the window will be pop up like this. And here is the language that you can generate it to other language that you want, or you can keep it in English United States. So you can change also. It is 1,000 of English and 1,000 of language. It's not much, but I just want to talk. It is 1,000 of language, but it is good. I promise you. And it will ask you to allow the microphone's access. So you need to click the microphone access here. Okay, when you are ready, allow the microphone access in this with the Chrome. You need to after you click allow it, you will see the text is loading like this. The cursor is appearing like this, and you will start by clicking on the microphone icon here. When it's showing the red color, it means you are in use, or it means that you are using your voice to generate to the text. But if you are seeing the green or blue like this, it means you have stopped that for a while, or you have paused that. Now I'm gonna show you how to do that. So go ahead and click this icon here. Hello every people in the world. I am Mr. CHHUOY. Okay, sometimes it can be wrong because your name, your place is not the English word, so it can be different from each other, from each country between names and place. So sometimes it can be wrong when you're talking about place. And this article is article no alcohols. Article is no grammar, so you need to add some grammar inside it after you have already typed in it. So thank you for watching my video, and you can see here everything is generated, but one more thing that you gotta know is you need to use your internet connection. So if you are not using the internet connection, it will not work at all, because it can translate every word to text by using the internet. So thank you again, and please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. Okay.